Hi, everybody. So last week we started talking about, hey, why do private clients come to see us originally? And we've been breaking down that cycle of suffering, the unsustainable dental practice cycle, and breaking down the individual parts that are involved in that. So we initially talked about burnout. Last week we were talking a little bit of just an introduction of our team training and making sure that you have those training processes in place if you are dealing with staff turnover, which even with the quote unquote most loyal staff members, you're going to deal with turnover at some point in time. So the question that I have for everybody this morning is, how many of us actually enjoy training our new team members? Business owners, practice owners. If you are having to train your team members, that is taking you away from production. And I'm not saying, as a doctor, hey, if you're repositioning the hands of your clinical assistant real quick over a couple of seconds, that kind of thing. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about actually having to sit down, show them step by step, or are you just referring them to the SOPs, telling your team members they have it, and seeing what happens and what the results actually are. So, do you actually enjoy training? Let's start the conversation and be honest about it. We're not coming for you. This is anonymous. Do you actually enjoy training your team members? And if the answer is yes, and what you have is working, that's great. But if the answer is no, and what you have is also not working, that's where we can help fill in the gap. So if the answer is no, and you want help with this, please feel free to connect with us. Connect at pathwaydentalsolutions.com, and we'd be happy to connect.